Hello, today we are going to go over installing a bed rail clamp onto an ePM series monitor. In the box of a bed rail clamp from Mindray, it will contain the bed rail clamp, 2 screws and 2 washers. The first step that you'll want to do is make sure and power off the monitor. So you can just hold the power button down and it'll go through the shutdown sequence. Once the monitor fully shuts down, you'll flip the monitor over and face it down. You'll want to put it on a soft surface so that you don't scratch or damage the screen. With the bed rail clamp, you will then unscrew it about halfway. If you don't unscrew this portion some, you won't be able to access the screws. And you can kind of play with it to get everything lined up. And then it's just a matter of lining up the screw holes. And the clamp can go either way, so it can go screwed on this side or this way. It's just a matter of getting the screw holes lined up. So it depends on how you would like to place it on the bed rail. Once you do that, you'll just use a Phillips head screwdriver and place the 2 screws. And you'll need to play with this and unscrew it some to gain access to those holes. We'll want to get the 2 screws started and snugly tighten them down. You do not want to over tighten these, and that is all you will need to do to install it. From there, you can adjust the clamp and place it wherever you need. And simply power the monitor back on. You're good to go.